AI Finance Daily, where artificial intelligence meets your money. Here's something worth your next 5 minutes. Saudi Arabia, UAE, and the Middle East AI surge. The investment angle nobody in the US is covering. The irony often lies in how we perceive success. When we talk about artificial intelligence, most of us immediately think of the usual titans, companies like Nvidia and Microsoft. They dominate the headlines, with Nvidia's approximate market cap pushing past $1 trillion as of this recording. But what if I told you there's a hidden winner emerging in the AI arena that is underscored by a broader macroeconomic shift, namely the Gulf states, particularly Saudi Arabia and the UAE? As investors, we typically focus on familiar giants, yet the underrated narrative in the Middle East is intriguing. The region has notably accelerated its investment in AI technologies. According to estimates from the International Data Corporation, spending on AI technologies in the Middle East could reach around $30 billion by 2025. This emerging market is strategically positioning itself to capture a significant share of the global AI investments, which are estimated to grow to around $500 billion within the same time frame. What's driving this surge? It's not merely oil wealth, rather, it's a calculated diversification strategy. The Saudi Vision 2030 initiative explicitly aims to transform the economy away from oil dependence toward technology and innovation. The UAE is similarly pursuing a robust AI strategy with investments exceeding $1 billion into various AI-based projects and initiatives. Now, why is this relevant? In most discussions, investors focus on established players, overlooking the significant revenue growth potential of companies operating in these Gulf states. For instance, regional players like STC Group, a telecommunications leader in Saudi Arabia, are increasingly adopting AI to enhance operational efficiency and customer engagement. Analysts estimate that through AI adoption, STC could increase its operational cost efficiency by as much as 30%. Think about the competitive moats these companies build. By integrating AI into their core operations, they not only reduce costs, but increase their value proposition. When major international projects arise, such as the NEOM Smart City in Saudi Arabia, an ambitious $500 billion project, these local firms become pivotal in delivering the technology backbone. Yet, what could derail this narrative? The challenges are apparent. Political risk remains, as does the region's ongoing need to navigate international relations intricately. Should geopolitical tensions arise, or if oil prices see substantial drops, the pace of AI investments could slow. Additionally, the education and talent development needed to sustain this momentum must not stagnate. However, consider the implications for your investment strategy. The rise of AI in the Middle East provides diversification away from traditional tech stocks. Exposure to companies within this market could yield significant returns, especially as they secure government contracts or partnerships with international tech firms looking for regional expertise. What if the West's focus on dominant players prevents it from recognizing this burgeoning player pool? The catalyst for a re-rating? Should a leading firm in Saudi Arabia or the UAE successfully partner with a Western tech giant for an AI project, we might witness a substantial shift in how investors view the region. A successful collaboration could validate the strategic vision tied to AI and attract more private capital into these markets. This sentiment might set off a chain reaction, drawing more interest from global investors. In closing, the hyper-focus on well-trodden investment paths may cause major players to overlook the real winners emerging from this region. As we witness an evolving geopolitical landscape, the focus should not just be on familiar names, it should expand to include these hidden gems. Exposure to Middle Eastern AI markets could potentially provide growth opportunities that are severely undervalued in today's markets. The figures discussed here are drawn from publicly available data. Always verify before making any financial decision. This is educational content, not financial advice. That wraps up AI Finance Daily. One small ask. If this was useful, hit follow. It costs you nothing, and it means we can keep making this. See you next time.